Today, we're going to build a sailboat using 5 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 1L bar with 2 side studs. And what I want to do with that 1L bar with the 2 studs is grab 2 1x1 round plate pieces in this reddish brown color. I'm going to put them on each of those studs. So one on the right, one on the left. And this is going to create the hull of my ship, just give it a little more body. And then on those 1x1 round plates, I'm going to grab 2 of these frog pieces. You know, you see these all the time in the Harry Potter series for the chocolate frogs. But what we're going to do is we're going to put that frog piece on the side of that stud, that 1x1 round plate, so that the butt's in the water and the head is facing up to create the bow of my ship. Now once I've got that on the front, I'm going to grab another childhood frog and do the same thing, and attach to that 1x1 round plate with the butt in the water and the head facing the sky. And here's a completed micro sailboat.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.